You might be wondering what we're doing in the Vintage Toy Freedom half bath. And the answer to that is opening a hook from Mattel 1991 Lost Boy Ace, who hoses down pirates. So he's got this backpack here that squirts water. And we are going to... don't have Captain Hook, unfortunately. I wish I did, especially that Tall Terror hook looks cool. And so Hook obviously was a movie starring Robin Williams as Peter Pan. And I forget who played Hook, somebody kind of famous. But Rufio was the real star. If you remember the Rufio. This was a cool toy line, you know, not the best toy line, but some of those kind of weapons and things were actually kind of neat. My neighbor friend had the life-size Captain Hook tri-hook. That was kind of a cool toy. I don't know if you could ever actually get anything with hook points. I want to think that there's somebody out there with like a bunch of hook points saved in a box somewhere. I mean, really, how many can you get? 2, 4, 6, 7, you know, I don't know, 20 at most. So we're going to open this dude. Ace. He unfortunately is, you know, definitely got overshadowed by Rufio, but they got him on the cheap. These figures, yeah, they're not too well made. There's very little articulation. Some of the accessories are kind of weird. The card art's cool though, and it's a good movie. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I own it on VHS. You can come over and watch it on my VCR. Right now I can smell it. I can smell. Ew! It smells like kind of smells like crayons. So crayons mixed with like chlorine, like pool water. It's weird. I guess the plastic just kind of degrades after maybe not being exposed to air. I'm not really sure. So he's got this stick to hit people with. And yeah, so these are, I mean, they're almost the quality of McDonald's toys. I mean, in terms of not having much articulation, the plastic, I mean, they're not Mattel's finest. I mean, there's certainly no He-Man or Masters of the Universe, which are two totally different toy lines, FYI. It doesn't even stand well. Like, his foot is bent like that, and they have pegs, I guess, for the vehicles. So we got this. I have a cup of water right here. So you can squirt pirates with water, which I guess they might not like. I don't know. So this fits into his back. I guess we gotta fill it up first. And then kind of anticlimactic. It's not really the best action feature, and he can't even stand. I do like that they sculpted his belly button. He's wearing a crop top. He's got some cool face paint. I don't know who played this one in the film. I guess I should have looked that up before I made this video, but I don't know. This guy, this is a weird toy line. This is one where, again, I think the sort of weapons and the I don't know what you call those, the dress up kind of pretend stuff is better than the actual toys, because they do feel very McDonald's toy quality. And all I want in life is for him to stand. That would be my one wish. But oh well. He's got his squirty backpack. which probably will get all moldy and gross. I don't like things that that have water because they get mildewy and moldy, and that's disgusting. Well, thanks for watching. This guy is a bit of a disappointment. I don't think I had pretty much any kind of high expectations for him to begin with, but glad to open a Hook figure. You know, add that to the repertoire of vintage toy freedom. But seriously though, if you haven't seen the movie, check it out. It's very cool. I just wouldn't maybe make it a priority to get into the toy line. Also, rest in peace, Robin Williams.